Hello and welcome to my art spot. My name is Anna and today I'm going to try something different. I've never done this before. As some of you may already know if you follow my channel, I use homemade gel plate. It's my own recipe. I have a video teaching you how to make this. It's very nice recipe, very simple, very few ingredients, and it lasts for a long time. I've been using this plate, I don't know, a year, maybe more. And every time something happens to it, like rips or get a lot of imperfections, I melt it down in a microwave and I put it back in the mold and I get a brand new plate. However, this time I figure because last video you could see that my plate has a lot of little holes. So you can see on the prints the little indentations, and I thought it looked good. So I figured, hey, I'm gonna abuse this plate a little more, try to pull some prints before I melt it again and make a new one. So let's see. And the one thing I thought I would do, see, it was like this. So I just ripped completely and I'm setting it separately a little bit so that I can have that on my page. So let's start trying this out. I'm gonna use some Dents, my favorite paint in Brazil. This is the only one working here, you guys, because it's extremely hot. So when I try to use my other set of acrylic paints, it just doesn't work. It dries right away and I cannot do anything. So I'm gonna try, I've been using Dents a lot. It's a little more fluid. Another thing I'm gonna do, because of this here, I wanna have, if you're a card maker, that would be perfect because that will be the area where you can put your sentiment. In my case, I do mixed media, so that can be an area where I write my quote. But yeah, let's see. I am excited because this is brand new. I've never done this before. Let's see how it's gonna look, and I'm gonna use color paper just because I wanna have this area here, some color. You don't have to use color paper. You can always leave it blank. I'm not even gonna, let's do some orange. Can't take my sweet time here because it is hot, and it will just, let's try that on green, see what happens. I don't know if it's gonna work. We shall see. Most of the time, the videos I post is with things that I've done before, and I know they work. But this time, I'm doing something different here, so bear with me. And let's pull. Oh, that is nice. You know, I forgot I could have added more texture to it. Let's keep pulling some prints. The homemade gel plate, nice thing about it is you can keep, usually I can pull more than just a print and a ghost. Sometimes I can even pull 2 or 3 ghosts out of it. So let's see. Oh yeah, oh, this will make a nice border. That's nice. Let's try. I don't know how it's gonna. Diane's paints work on dark, so I'm thinking here I'll be able to pull some orange. Let's do orange and pink. Because I'm not gonna put blue on blue. yes, I finally got my nails done. I think the Brazilian way. I think I'm done with gardening for a while. I'm never done with gardening. Gardening here is huge, but I do have a professional that comes and helps me. Because if it was just me, all my plants will be dead by now. All right, let's see how Diane's paints behave on a dark background. I used it before for stenciling. I used it before in other projects. Never gel plate on dark paper background, so we'll see. Oh yeah, not bad, very nice. Let's set them aside here to dry. Keep pulling with this. Cute. I like that pink. Let's put it on this side. See what we get. Very nice. Oh, it's okay. You can just plate some hairs in there. Okay, so I like this. Now, I want to destroy this plate a little bit more. So let me get a tool to do just that. I can use my nails. I can use, see, oh yeah, my nails are working just fine. Make more, a little. I'm just pulling the gel. And that means that if you have a gel plate that is damaged, don't toss it. You can still use it. Yeah, I'm just poking. Just poking little pieces. It's very easy because it's gelatin. Excuse me, it's just gelatin. What this is gonna do is the areas with the hole, you're just gonna see the background color of my paper. So if I pull it on blue or green or black, actually it's not black, it's dark blue. It's gonna have this little imperfections. Yeah, let's call it good. All right, let me share just one last step with you. Whenever you're making your prints, I don't know if you're gonna notice here, but it doesn't look as good until you trim it. So I always trim your prints to have a better visual, because otherwise, all the weird sides and not cover spaces, it will take the attention out of the print itself. So I always trim the best you can, so you will see a huge difference. So yeah, um, I'm gonna be trimming all my prints and I will be showing you the final results. Quick observation here. See how I left some of the green on the bottom there? I could have done the same with the pink, but I end up cutting that off. It's up to you how much you want to leave around your print. These prints are reminding me of the pouring technique that people do with acrylics. And often they look like gems, they look like stones. And I'm really liking the results. I hope you are too. Wow, I am really pleased. I hope I inspire you to create something beautiful. Oh, all the possibilities. I didn't even play with that plate much. I just did a few spots and left it alone at that one position. I could have moved around some more. I could have damaged the plate some more. All the things you can do. It's really amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I see you again next week. Bye.